Okay, now for this final one, part C, the two vowels are not together. So I think I'm going to use a similar technique. So when we think about all the different four letter arrangements, the two vowels are not together, all right? Well, we're surely in a situation where there are four letter words where the A and the O are together, right, side by side. And we're in a world where the A and O are not together, right? Now, if I focus on this idea of the A and O being not together, I think it gets quite complicated, right? Because if A and O are not together, then definitely we could just have on here all the different places we could put A and O that are not together, right? So we use the A and the O, but they're not together. We can then just have all the words where the A is used. We could have all the words where the O is used. And we can have all the words where actually the A and the O aren't used, and these are all consonants. So I think that would be going at it directly, right? The A and O are not together. So we kind of go through a big listing system. We use the A and O in the four-letter word, but we can't put them together. We use only the A, we use only the O, and we use only the consonants, right? So that guarantees the A and O are not together. Now, I think we've got, this certainly, I think we've got maybe from the last one. Only using the O, only using the A. This seems to be things that we could get a head round and attack directly. And then thinking about all the different ways we can use the A and O in a four-letter placement, but them not be together, that wouldn't be too hard, right? A here with an O here, A here with an O here. What about an A here with an O here, right? That's three different ways, but then switch them round. So that'd be six different ways of positioning the A and the O so they're not together. And then wouldn't there be the M, the N, the D, the Y here, 4 and maybe 3, right? So there's a way of going about this directly, and that will work, but I just like the idea of going about it the other way. So the two vowels are not together. What if we actually place the two vowels together, all right? So what if we place the two vowels together, A, O, then something, 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 A, O, something, and something, something, A, O. All right, so the AO together. Now you can clearly see that once we've used the O and the A up here, right, we've used the O and the A in each of these, we've already got 4 letters to position in the 2 remaining places. So wouldn't that be a 4 times 3 in here? Wouldn't that be a 4 times 3 here and a 4 times 3 here? So isn't that 12 different positioning of A and O together with 2 of the consonants? But can't the O and the A each time just be switched round? So isn't there a times 2 for each of these? So isn't that, if we look at the total, isn't that 72 different ways of putting A and O together in a 4-letter word? So therefore, can you see that the final technique is that this is 72, because remember the O's and the A's can be interchanged. And now it's 360, all 4-letter words. Subtract the ones where the A and O are physically together in the 4-letter word, and that should leave us all of the words where the O and A are not side by side, and that will clearly include the O and the A's not used at all, just the O used, just the A used, and also the O and the A used, but they're separated by some other letters. Hope that helps.